everyone, welcome back to our channel, DavidLoveJanet, and also Kingdom Light Child Academy. Hi, my name is Janet, and you are welcome. This is how you engage children to read.
Next.
What letter is this? What word is this? Sad.
Sad. Sad.
Oh, next letter.
B.
A. A. What word is this? What word is this? I just want to remind everyone here to just be patient with teaching toddlers to read. It just takes patience, diligence, and eventually they'll get it. My child is on the younger side of 3, so she still has quite a few ways. I know 3 and a half, like half birthdays are big milestones in toddlerhood, so she's still learning, and just be patient and you'll definitely get results. Thanks. Dot.
Dot. Kitten.
Sad.
Sad. Dot.
No, what? Cat.
Ready. Green.
Job. I try to show the word before I show the picture.
Okay. Okay. Yuck.
Yuck. Good job. Yuck.
Onto the
Complicated one.
Gate.
Fern.
Again.
Oh, the fern. Fern. It's a kind of plant.
Wreck.
What letter is this?
What? Wreck.
King.
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 King. Shut.
What letter is this? W.
W.
Wing.
Wing. What's that?
Shh. Here you go.
Pip. Pie. Pepper pie.
Pie.
Zebra. Zip.
Good.
Ant.
Good job.
Bit.
And?
And.
Counting. How many animals are there in each box?
How
many fish? How many fish are here? Count.
No, not that one.
How many fish are there? Can you count the fish, please?
1,
Mm-hmm.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3,
Mm-hmm.
4,
Mm-hmm.
5,
Mm-hmm.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7,
Mm-hmm.
8,
Mm-hmm.
9,
Mm-hmm.
10. No, I will count.
I don't count 10. I don't count 10. Count it again. When you count 1, you can cross it out. 1,
2,
Mm-hmm.
3, 4,
1,
1, 6,
1, 2,
1,
2.
2,
I already crossed out 2. Go ahead.
1, 2,
3.
6,
Mm-hmm.
7,
Mm-hmm.
8, 9,
Mm-hmm.
1,
No, 9,
9.
10. These whiteboards we got from grandma, Nigeria. Okay, so I have to just, she's 1. You have to just kind of like help them. You can't just miraculously do this unless you pray and then God hears your prayer. That's A. I need to buy more grips. I keep on saying that. Let me do that. A.
A.
That's right. A is for?
Apple.
That's right. And that's all from Flashcards, which I'll make a video doing Flashcards. Look at B. Look right to B. And B is for?
Ball. Ball.
And?
B
is for?
Argentina.
Banana.
Oh yeah. Banana.
So a great idea to get free items is just to ask like other homeschool moms you know in the area. Look up homeschool communities on Facebook or your local like next door neighbor app, And so I've gotten this book from one of the moms. I'm not even sure. So, or it was actually somebody that gave us like a whole bunch of toys from like his daughter, I think. So some of the pages are already done, but it's okay. You can still kind of redo some things. So you see it's like the math basics. You can make them out CPG or CGP. So, okay. Look, learn, and practice. What's in the parcels? Join each parcel to the correct present. So, wait, hold on, look. What does this parcel look like?
Bunny.
Alright, so where's the bunny?
Down.
Good. So you have to connect this one to that one. Okay, we're doing damage. You can still do it again. So, what does this parcel look like?
Boat.
Good. So where's the boat? Connect the boat. Good. What does this parcel look like?
Teddy bear.
Okay, so what's a teddy bear? Good. What does this parcel look like?
Train.
Good. Not the train. Let's see some pages that haven't been done yet.
No, mommy. Not this.
Okay, we're gonna skip any pages.
Yeah.
Okay, so it says join
These
the
are.
pairs with
No.
a line. So join the matching with the line. Where's the scarf? Okay, good. Next. Good. Good. Good.
No.
So join the pairs of objects which belong together with a line.
What's this like?
Yeah, where the matching.
Rain.
So this is a toothbrush. What goes with a toothbrush?
This and
Toothpaste. Good. So basically, what time is it right now? It's like 4 o'clock. So she was being really bouncy. So I asked her if she wanted to do some worksheets, and she said yes. So that's how you ask your toddlers that are bouncing around if they want to do some work, and then you just take the opportunity. I have a whole bunch of things to do. Like I have dishes to wash, clothes to fold, but she wants to learn, so I'm gonna just take my time now and have it learned. So knife goes with fork. I think, yeah, good job. Brush goes with
and book.
no.
That one.
Objects that belong together, right? So brush and comb go together, and then book and magazine, they go together.
Yeah.
Book and magazine are the same thing, right? So they go together. So that was join the pairs of objects which belong. Okay.
What's it? What's in this?
Look, learn, and practice. Talk about the odd shape out in each plate. What shape is not a circle? Which one is not a circle? Which shape is this? Circle. What shape is this?
Round.
Right. They're all circles, right? Which one is not a circle? Is this a circle?
No.
Good. So you circle that one. This one is not a circle. Circle it. Big circle around it. Good. Right here.
Rabbit.
So which one is not a square?
It's a square. Yes.
Yeah. So which one is not?
No.
Okay. Circle the one that's not a square. Good job. And this one next?
This.
Good one. Good job. Next one. Which one is not like, which one is odd? Which one is not like a circle?
No. Yes.
Yes. No, don't circle that one.
Huh?
Circle the one that's not like a circle.
No.
Which one is not like a circle? The banana, Hannah.
No.
Yeah, the banana doesn't look like the same, right? So
It's
circle the banana.
a circle.
Circle the banana. Doesn't look like the same.
Mom, you're a circle.
Right. Circle
So
the banana.
am
It's odd. Yeah. Circle the banana.
It's a circle. On a big circle.
Okay. Find the objects in the cupboard that match those. Okay, this is too busy. I have to erase that. Talk about the picture. Talk about the picture. Look for the spots, stripes, round, and square. So where are the spots?
Spot.
Yeah, where are the spots in the picture?
Spot.
Yeah, I think we've done this already, actually.
This spots.
Yeah, where are the spots?
Mom spots.
Let me erase this.
Mom, erase this.
Let me erase
Mommy,
it and we'll do it again.
are you
Circle it. Anyway, let's move on. This one is
circle it?
too intensive.
Oh,
You have to give
circle it.
yourself a break, Mom. Okay. Talk about these objects. Find and match the pair. Go ahead. Where's the pair of this shoe?
I don't know.
Look.
Circle it.
No, don't circle it. Match. This goes to which one? Goes to that one.
Oh, this.
Yeah, this glasses goes to which one? Okay, the glasses go where? Where's the other glasses? Because the angles are different.
This.
Yeah, where's the other one?
And
So this one goes to what? This one. We need to move on.
yay! Boom!
Okay, look at and talk about these shapes. What's the shape? What's the shape? What's the shape? We're on this page. What's the shape?
This is the blue one.
Well, what is it?
It's a circle.
It's a flower.
Goes.
Okay, what kind of shape? The shape is I don't know what kind of shape that is actually. I feel like an answer key.
Yeah.
Look at and talk about these shapes. So I don't know what that means, but this is a tulip, Hannah. This is a yellow tulip. And what color is this? Well, she did say blue. It's a purple tulip. So count the flowers to match. One. Good. How many flowers look like this?
It's still running.
No. How many flowers look like this? Look at this one. Look. One.
One.
And then.
It was going to see it color.
And another one.
One.
And what does this look like? Two. So how many flowers look like this?
One.
Yeah. Good job.
That one.
So match. Yeah. Okay. And how many flowers look like this? Tulip.
One. Two.
Good job.
Yeah.
Okay. Cross the odd flower out in each grove. So which flower doesn't look alike? So that's all my homeschool content I have for the past week. I do these like a week prior. So this week, you'll see next week. And so I also just wanted to just share a quick family kind of insert. Last vlog, we had our family photos inserted. This vlog, I'm sharing our family shea butter recipe. If you can see in the pictures, those are all the ingredients I use. I've gotten so many requests for this. So I use Jamaica castor oil, almond oil, and I get all of these from Amazon, except for the essential oils I've gotten from different places. I've gotten the cocoa butter from the soapery, which is from Amazon, shea butter from Amazon, the soapery. I've found that these were the most biggest and economical buy. I've had another brand before, but these are the best, and they last us like about 3 months. And all my essential oils I've gotten, some from Holland & Barrett, some from Amazon. Yeah, so I just use basically eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, lavender. Yeah, that's basically what I use. And tea tree, yeah, I said that already. So yeah, I usually melt the cocoa butter, and then I mix everything basically together, and then I add, just quickly here, I'm using my salad master to warm the cocoa butter, which is quite tough, and then I just mix that with the shea butter in a container with all my essential oils, and that's it. And I use the hand blender to get that whippiness.